What's up, guys? We are back with another video. Today I got this steering wheel hub and we are gonna remove this bad boy right here and throw on my NRG. So let's get to it. I'm not gonna go too much in depth. Removing the steering wheels are pretty straightforward. There should be a bolt on the other side or on both sides. Go ahead and remove it, pop the bag out, you know, so on and so forth. And supposedly this should allow for the clock spring to go on. I hope it all works, and then we'll go from there. Also, I did cut the muffler off because I needed some sound out of this thing, and let me tell you guys, geez Louise, it sounds freaking amazing. I mean, amazing. And I do have piping and an exhaust tip on the way as well, so we'll be getting that done. But right now, let me just go ahead and pretty much, I'm gonna pull the car out, pull it back in, make sure it's straight, and then I'll just pick up the camera as I'm going along. Guys, so got the airbag off, very easy. It's weird actually on a German car. They're on the sides, but you can't really get to them. So you gotta kind of turn the steering wheel, get it. But did that, and then it's just these two plugs, at least on my 98. This is how it is. I already did this. Remember to loosen this, but keep a couple threads, knock it loose. That way you don't take this off and then try cracking it loose and then you knock yourself out. Oh, it's stuck again now. But make sure you do that so you don't yank and it hits you in the face. And I got that out. There was this ground right here, and then those three, 1, 2, 3 right there. So let's go ahead and get the hub, and fingers crossed this works. Got all 3 in. A lot of people complain that they can't get 3 in. To be honest, as long as you don't tighten one all the way down, just get it in, just drop the other 2 and then just start it. So that's it. Now I just gotta throw it on. I don't know how this is gonna ground. It's supposed to go here, but I don't think it's gonna work for me. Mainly just because the screw it comes with is very short, but I'll figure that out. Check it out, guys. There it is. So I haven't wired up the horn yet, just because I don't really care right now. I will do it, but I have all the wires for it. I just have to figure out how. But there it is. Super stoked on that. Now it's like a safety thing, but I really like it. And the wheel we're throwing in is my NRG one. For those of you guys that know, I've had this on every single car. The G35, the CRV, the Miata, and now the E36, and I think it suits it beautifully with the black and brown. Just gives it that look. I already tested it too with the signals just to make sure I put that clock spring in the right spot, and it is. So there it is, guys. Super happy on that. Let me give you guys a startup so you can see how this bad boy sounds. I don't really have the best angle for you guys right now, but bear with me. And there you go. That is just a cut muffler, 323i 98 E36. Bam. So like I said, I do have piping coming and a tip as well. So right now there's nothing there, but we're gonna have that coming in. And then I think the next big thing I want to do, or cosmetically, is the rear end. So as you guys know, I have the front lip on right there. Also, I went ahead and detailed the entire hood, wet sanded it all and buffed it. The grill area, this whole bezel piece, we're gonna repaint, and then the bottom down we're gonna need to repaint because there's a lot of rock chips, and along with the front. But before I do that, I'm kind of thinking, let's paint everything together. So I'm kind of thinking of getting some rear spats. There's 2 I'm looking at, and then the rear diffuser piece as well, just to add to it once the exhaust is there. But oh yeah, and also if you look, the rear window is kind of tinted. It's kind of all over the place at the moment, but I created this screen right there to give it some privacy. But yeah, you can't really see in it at all, so I like that. But there it is, guys. I don't know if the exhaust is gonna be done in this video. To be honest, I'm gonna say no, because that's gonna take some time and I don't know exactly when I'm gonna get it out or done. And I wanna drop this video for you guys. But dude, super, super stoked. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys aren't already. I'm really trying to get back into this YouTube thing. So for all my new subscribers, I appreciate it. Stay tuned, guys. There's a lot to come. This car is gonna completely transform. Wheels, bags, everything. Stay tuned.